Alright guys, so today we are going to talk about the types of Cognex cameras. They are generally used in the industries for the machine vision actually, and we are going to talk about what are exactly the types of Cognex camera. For sure this is going to be very brief video, very small video in which I will try to explain almost all type of Cognex cameras. Like mainly it is divided in the vision and the barcode. So there are the vision cameras and there are the barcode cameras. Okay, so vision cameras actually takes the picture and it will say whether this thing is present or not, this thing is absent or not. So vision cameras actually takes the picture, whereas the barcode cameras are just used for the barcode reading. Like obviously there would be two things. One would be the fixed barcode scanners and one would be the handheld barcode scanners. The one handheld are like in the hand we can hold it and then scan the barcode, and fixed are generally used in the industries where it will be mounted on something and it will be continuously scanning the barcodes, right? So and then in that also there are two things: 1D barcode scanners and 2D barcode scanners. Like I will show you a picture over here, like what are the difference of 1D barcodes and what are the difference of 2D barcodes. Okay, so in that there is a main series of Cognex cameras, Dataman. So Dataman comprises of so many different barcode scanners depending on the industry's environment, depending on the speed, light, and so many different stuff. So there is a long series like Dataman 70, Dataman 80, then so many Dataman 470, Dataman 580, and like that. There are so many different Dataman Cognex cameras only for barcode reading. Okay, now come back to the vision Cognex cameras. So in that there are, like we can say, four different types. Actually there are so many different types of cameras which is very hard to gather everyone in one video, but I will explain you the main vision cameras. Like there is vision sensor, vision system, then 3D vision, and the PC based cameras. So vision sensor are, they don't process much of the process, they do not do much of the processing inside the cameras. They are just used for like whether presence or absent type of thing. Let's say you train the camera to see whether there is a this screw absent or this screw present type of thing, right? Whereas vision system, it do complex processing inside the camera itself. It sometimes it also uses the AI inside the camera itself for the vision system of the complex things. So yeah, so in the vision sensor series, this is like inside 2000. I think even inside snap also comes inside the vision sensor series. Then the vision system series, there is like inside 3800, inside 7000, inside 8000. All that thing comes in inside the vision system for the complex processing. Like the processor, there is a inbuilt processor inside the camera itself which process all the pictures and then give you some result, right? So that is what the vision sensor cameras, vision system cameras. There is all these things are mostly 2D. Like this, both the things are mostly 2D. Then comes the 3D also. If you want something like a 3D picture or a 3D image processing, then you have to choose this series, L38 series or L68 series. So that is like the 3D vision cameras. Okay, and then so on all these three of them, this and this, all three of them has inbuilt processor inside, which does different type of processing in the camera itself. They don't need a separate PC or they don't need a separate computer, right? But then there are also PC based vision cameras. PC based vision cameras, which are also known as CIC, Cognex Industrial Cameras. CIC is Cognex Industrial Cameras, which works on Gigi Vision communication protocol, we can say Gigi Vision protocol. So these are like PC based. So they just capture the picture and sends to the computer or sends to the PC, and then all the processing is being done on the computer or on the PC, right? So these are the PC based cameras which are known as Cognex Industrial Cameras, CIC. So these are the PC based. These three doesn't require PC exactly. They are capable of doing the processing on the camera itself. Then these does the complex processing. These are just a simple type of thing, like whether present or absent type of thing. So these are like the series of the Cognex cameras: inside 2000, inside 3800, L38, L68, Gigi, CIC, all that things. And then Dataman 70, 80, 470, 580, all that things, right? So I think this is like a very brief video which demonstrates exactly the types of Cognex cameras. Believe me, there are much more. There are many more different types of cameras available in the market. Cognex cameras available in the market, but they all are like for a different environment, for a different things to process, with the different type of lightings, infrared, and so many different types of things. But these are like, I explain you the main differences in the different types of Cognex cameras. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more such insightful videos.